Hi guys, today's tutorial is going to be quick and simple. It's all about doing a realistic pear in pan pastels, Carbothello, Kohinoor pastel pencils, and Pitt pastels. I'm using Clairefontaine pastel matte paper in tone gray today because we're going to do a black background anyway. It's nice to have the paper already tinted to the deep color that you want to have in the background. Today's exercise is really just all about blending. If you put down the material, it looks like a hot mess in the beginning, but as you blend, you start to give things some form and start to give those pears a little roundness and some depth with those shadows. So it's all about value and blending, and just blend away with those pastel pencils. I'm using soft tools, which come with the pan pastel set. Basically, it's just a little sponge applicator on a handle, and I also use a little sponge and my fingers. So you just blend away and take a look at your reference image, keep referring back to it, and you will have some success with pastels. I really enjoy this medium. This drawing came together in an hour and 51 minutes, so it's a very quick medium, and you can have really high contrast, high results in a short amount of time. It goes down really quickly, and you really can get your hands into it, which I enjoy. So give it a try. If you have a good reference photo to start with, it makes your life a whole lot easier because your drawing will have a lot more success. It's just a lot easier when you use a good quality reference that has really good lighting, some good shadows, and some good highlights. It just makes for a more realistic drawing in the end. So look for good high quality reference photos and just take your time and enjoy the process.